friends, welcome to e-class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, in previous video we have seen how maps are our companions and how we can show the height of mountains in a map. Okay, so open your Evs1 textbook, page number 14. The length and width of a landform can be easily shown on a piece of paper. However, the height and depth cannot be shown as easily. There are different methods of showing the elevation or height of the land. There are three methods to show the elevation or the height of the land. First one, counterline method. Second, layer tinting method. Third, digital elevation method. So students, we will see in detail all these three methods. First one, counterline method. This method is used to show the unevenness of landforms on a map. The height of the land is measured from sea level. From sea level, the height of the land is measured. Next, points of the same height are identified. Their positions is marked accurately on the map. These locations are joined with a line. Such lines are called contour lines. See map A. In the map, lines are drawn, each joining places of a specific height. This way, the relief of the land can be easily shown. It helps us to understand the slope of the land and the height of the different places. With the help of lines, we can see the slope of the land and height of different places. Observe the given diagram. Note that when there is a less distance between the contour lines and the slope is steep, whereas if the distance is great, the slope is gentle. What is meant by contour line method? The height of the land is measured from sea level. Next, points of the same height are identified. Their positions is marked accurately on the map. These locations are joined with a line. Such lines are called as contour lines. Okay. So in a map A, you can see when there is less distance between the contour lines, the slope is steep, means great slope. Whereas if a distance is great, then slope is gentle. It is not too slopey. It is little slight, flatty. Okay. Layer tinting method. Second method is layer tinting method. This method is based on contour lines. In this method, the spaces between contour lines are filled with color. Each color indicates a specific height. For example, water bodies are colored blue, whereas the adjoining land is colored dark green. Land higher than that is colored a light green. Next, higher land is colored yellow, and so on. Study the given color index. Note how the colors change with the height. The colors between the contour lines show up the difference in the physical setup. See map B. In map B, you can see the colors. Okay. Blue color, it shows the color of water, and the different shades shows the height. Okay. Different heights are shown with different color. Method third, digital elevation method. This is the most modern method. In this, the information obtained through man-made satellites is presented with the help of computers. See map C. In it, we can directly observe the differences in the height of landforms. Maps made using the above methods helps us to understand the physical setup of the region. In other words, they give us an idea of its height, relief, and slope. Using computers, we can even find the height of each point on a digital map. Physical maps can be used in military operations, tourisms, drawing up mountaineering routes, in making regional development plans, etc. This method is very useful and modern method. Digital elevation model is a advanced method. It is modern method and it is too useful because its accuracy is more. It is more accurate. Physical maps can be used in military operations, tourism, drawing up mountaineering routes, in making regional development plans, etc. So it is too useful and accurate. Page 41. Use your brain power. Places of different heights are shown in above box. Find and join the dots that show places of the same height. What method of showing the landforms on a map have you used here? Write the answer in the box below. See, when you will join the dots, then you can find there are 3 circles. When you join the dots, you find 3 circles. Okay. So, can you find now which method is used here? What method of showing the landforms on a map have you used here? Yes, it's true. Counterline methods. Next, do you know nowadays many modern methods of making maps have been developed. Previously, relief was shown using the hill shading technique. Was used. The map given below is an example of this. See, in this picture, in this map, you can find the small lines, dots, and some numbers. This is called as hill shading technique. Use your brain power. A map made by the layer tinting method is given in another chapter. Find the map and write its caption in the blank box below. In next lesson, in 10th lesson, you can find the tinting method, layer tinting method. The map of layer tinting method. Can you guess on which page it is present? Take out lesson number 10 and find the map by layer tinting method. Yes, it's true. Page number 45, map of India. In this map, you can find the layer tinting method. What is meant by layer tinting methods? In this method, in between the lines, contour lines, different colors are used. See the index. On page 45, you can see index. And what is written there? Altitude scale. And each color, green color, 0 sea level. Then shade of different colors it had shown. And the height in meter, it is given. Okay. So this map is the example of layer tinting method. Try this. Make an outline map showing various places in your neighborhood or school. You have to make the map of your school. Exchange your outline maps with those of your friends. Now, because of COVID-19, we can't meet our friends, but you can share to me, and you can share with your friends by mobile. Make a list of what you understand and do not understand in your friend's map. If you have observed the map of your friend, then you have to note down what did you understand and what you did not understand. Discuss these things with one another. Think about why you did not understand some of the things your friends had shown in their map. This is your activity, students. You have to try this and share your map with me also and with your friend also and discuss about the map and find out what you understand and what you do not understand. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and study well.